So I'm pretty sure that this has happened to a lot of people where the grips right here on your buckets fall off, right? So it kind of sucks after a while, they fall off, and then when you're trying to carry a full 5 gallon bucket full of water, it's going to just really dig into your hand, especially if you got to go some distance. Um, what I found was I found a YouTube hack that said, oh, get some PVC pipe right here. This is about a half inch. If you go to Home Depot, you're gonna buy about a half inch. Is like 2 feet is like roughly almost $4. And then from the video that I saw, the guy grabbed it with his hand and then measured it and then went ahead and cut it. Now when he had to cut into it, he had to use a hacksaw, put this in a vice grip, and then go ahead and just cut a little hole and then go ahead and pop it over here on his handle. Well, one of the biggest things is while I was doing that, I remembered at home I have this poly tubing. Now, like I said, this is roughly $4 for 2 feet. This is this is a half inch. This is a half inch also, and this is about 100 feet for about $11. Now, of course, if you want to do some drip irrigation in your house, this is great. Or you could just go ahead and buy this and keep making a bunch of handles out of it. So it's the same concept. Pretty much measure off the distance that you want to go ahead and cut it at. Okay, then go ahead and cut it. And this is the great part about it, is you don't need a damn vice grip for it. Of course, you might need some better scissors than the one I'm using. And you do the same thing. Go ahead and run it up, and then go ahead and just pop it on. Now, if you notice, this will actually kind of, if you set this right, it'll kind of curl around it a little bit, so it'll give it a good little handle. I've done this to a couple of my buckets. I've got, and I've had them on for about a month, and they haven't fallen off or they haven't back curled. It still holds on really nice and snug. And reality is, if you got 100 feet of this tubing, you can keep going if these fall off. But I mean, even if it lasts you one summer or a year, I really don't know. But like I said, I've had them on for a month and no problems whatsoever. But still, for the work, you don't have to use a hacksaw to cut it, and you could just use some scissors. So it's well worth it. I recommend you guys use it. Quick and easy video, and something to get yourself a little hack on. Like I said, you could probably buy this in sectional, so you don't have to buy 100 feet. Probably buy 25 feet for a lot cheaper. Like I said, it's 100 feet for about $11 over at Home Depot. Bye.